Bi-weekly routine. Monday. I do not like Mondays. For me, it is a login day of the weekend. I make up 6 a.m. to go to work. My mother cooks breakfast, and my father takes me to work. I got out at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. My brother beats me up and takes me home in the afternoon. I study in my computer and at 7 at night I go to sleep. Tuesday. I go out early today. I feel good breakfast because my mother is here. At 7 I go to work. My father takes me to work. My parents Jose did not go to work because he has COVID. My brother passes by me. I go to work and at 3 in the afternoon. I go to visit my friend Eva and at 5 p.m. I study on my computer. Wednesday. Wednesday are you funny for me because after work I go out for a walking with my friends. When I get home, I like to read books and watch movies with my family. Today have a video conference at the university at 10. I go bed to sleep. On Thursday, I get up early too. I go to work in my afternoon. My brother comes by me today. I will come dinner for me family. I will prepare rice and soup. At 4, I will study on my computer and do the activities that I have pending. At 10 at night, I got to sleep.